Hello everybody, it's me, Beau Chevasu. Today I am coming with a real-world demonstration of Sticker Mule. We're going to start from square one, and I'm just going to assume that you have your logo saved in a transparent PNG file or some kind of logo, and we're going to upload that and see if we can get a vinyl transfer sticker. So again, starting from square one, this link is in the below description so that you can get $10 credit if in fact you actually like what you see, but no pressure, not trying to oversell you on anything, just kind of want to demonstrate how easy it is. So let's jump right into this. And here we are on their homepage. Now, if you want a conventional sticker, something like this, we're going to be clicking on custom stickers right here on our left-hand side. And you will notice with this particular sticker that if I were to kind of peel it like so, I have a nice little split back, but you'll notice that it is opaque. I don't want something like this. For this special little demonstration, we are going to be doing a vinyl transfer of our logo. So I'm going to click on transfer stickers, and this is what it kind of looks like. I think this is so cool. And this is the logo, in case you're curious, that I'm going to be putting there. It's our church logo. And if we were to actually zoom in, because I'm really going to be pushing the limits here, you'll see that the CHURCH, that is actually fuzzy as opposed to the rest of this. Now, this is the highest resolution I could possibly get, but I really want to test this for you guys to see if in fact they're going to print the fuzziness or if they will convert it to a vector file. If that doesn't make any sense, don't worry about it. All you need to know is that you need a high resolution of your logo, whatever that logo is going to be, okay? And we're going to upload that logo after we enter the size. Now, I personally measured this size at 3.6 inches, and it will automatically calculate everything there. Now, if you have a square logo, this is going to be very, very convenient. And we're going to select 200 because that's how many I would like. And look at the savings already, 92%. That is awesome. All right, we're going to click continue. And I'm going to go over here and I'm going to choose my logo. Now this is very, very key. Either you want that vinyl color to be black or white. In this particular case, you'll see that it is white. I personally think that white shows up a lot better on most vehicles. And you may be like, well, Beau, what if it's a white car? Well, they can always put this vinyl sticker on the window itself, which typically is of a darker color. So I personally would defer to the white option instead of the black option. So we're going to click on white. And if you have any instructions, you can write them here. Usually I try to avoid instructions that typically slows this process down. So I'm just going to leave it like that. And then we're going to click continue. And there we go. Now you'll see that because I'm ordering more than $100, I get this really cool little add-on. I think that's pretty darn neat. And also, by the way, the $10 was applied to my purchase. Originally it was going to be $314, but since you clicked on the link, you get $10 off, which is pretty darn cool. We're going to click checkout. And that is pretty much it. Once you've filled out your billing information, let's go ahead and click place order. And then within a few hours, you should receive an email similar to this. They're just going to confirm a proof. I imagine that they might actually have to convert it to a vector file. And then upon approval, they warn you, hey, there's no turning back here. Click start production. And then at that point, they should charge your card. And then let's go ahead and wait. That is it. It is that simple, but you want to see the final product. Of course you do. So let's go ahead and do a quick little cut, and in 1 week, you're going to see the final product. Showed up in the mail, fairly good quality, but the proof is in the pudding, so I went ahead and cleaned this. We're going to go ahead and put it on. Simply peel the backing off, stick it on, go ahead and smooth it out. And then usually I like to get a soft piece of cloth of some kind to really try to get as many bubbles out as possible. One little tip to keep in mind is definitely try to get the ends right there. Those are most peelable. And so really make sure that those tips of your graphic are very well pressed in there, because once again, those will be the most compromised once weather starts hitting your decal. Pull this off and see what happens. The key is to go very slowly. Don't rush this. Beautiful. Now, lastly, I like to go over it with a paper towel very gently to just ensure that it is still all stuck on there. And that is beautiful. Well done, Sticker Mule. Well done.